Today we will be solving one very interesting exponential equation for the real values of x. This is one kind of special exponential equation, I would say. Here RHS is 1 and LHS is one exponential expression, which we can denote by writing base equal to box and power equal to star, suppose. Now we have to search in how many ways we will put the values of box and star to get 1. So we have 3 cases in total. Case number 1, which we call case A. Here our base or box is equal to 1. At the same time, our power or star belongs to real number. So we can write here base is 1. So 1 raised to the power real number, always equal to 1. Case 2, which we call B. Here our power or star equal to 0. If power is 0, we are going to get RHS 1, but only one point is there. Base should not be 0. Once base is also 0, we'll get 0 power 0 form, which is indeterminate. So here I can write base which is not equal to 0 or non-zero value with power 0 will always get 1. Case third, which we call C. Here our base or box equal to -1 with our exponent or power or star even numbered. Then we are going to get RHS 1. So -1 raised to the power even number always equal to 1. Now we have to pass our exponential equation through these 3 cases. So let's begin with case A. So I will write here case A. Here box or base equal to 1. As per our equation, box is x square minus 9x plus 19 and star is x square minus 15x plus 56. Put base or box equal to 1. We'll write here x square minus 9x plus 19 equal to 1. By writing all the terms to LHS, we will get x square minus 9x plus 18 equal to 0. We have quadratic equation. We'll use method of factorization. So we can write x square. We can split 9x, 3x minus 6x, minus 3x minus 6x minus 9x plus 18 equal to 0. From first two terms, we can take x common out and get x minus 3 in the bracket. From next two terms, I can take minus 6 common out and retain the same bracket x minus 3, RHS is 0. Now we'll take x minus 3 common out. So in other bracket, we can write x minus 6 equal to 0. Now we can use product 0 rule and get either x minus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. So from first equation, we are going to get x equal to 3, and from second equation, we'll be getting x equal to 6. Now we will check the star value at these points. So I will write here star 3, which we will calculate to check whether answer is real numbered or not. So star 6. Star is x square minus 15x plus 56. We'll put x equal to 3 and write 3 square minus 15 times 3 plus 56. 3 square is 9. 56 plus 9 is 65. Minus 15 times 3, which is 45. It is 20, which is real number. Similarly, star 6. Put x equal to 6. We will get 6 square minus 15 times 6 plus 56. So 36 plus 56 will be equal to 92. 92 minus 90, it is 2. 2 is real number. So we are going to accept both the x values 3 and 6. This was case A. Now we will take up case B. So I will write here case B. Here our star or exponent is equal to 0. And what we will check after that, base should not be 0. Box should not be 0. Here we have star. Here we have box. So put star equal to 0. We will write x square minus 15x plus 56 equal to 0, which we can factor easily and write x minus 7 times x minus 8 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will be writing either x minus 7 equal to 0 or x minus 8 equal to 0. So from the equation x minus 7 equal to 0, we will get x equal to 7, and from second equation we will write x equal to 8. Now we have two x values, which is 3 and 4. In total, x will be equal to 7 and 8. Now we will check box value at 7. It should not be equal to 0, and box value at 8. It should not be equal to 0. Otherwise, we will get 0 par 0 form. So here we have box x square minus 9x plus 19. Put x equal to 7. We will write 7 square minus 9 times 7 plus 19. 49 plus 19 will be 68. So I can write 68 minus 9 times 7, 63. Value is 5 and it is not equal to 0. So 7 is accepted. Now box 8. We will put x equal to 8. So 8 square minus 9 times 8 plus 19. 64 plus 19 is 83 minus 72. We will get 11, which is not equal to 0, non-zero number. So we have to accept both the x values from case B. I will write x3, 4 equal to 7, 8. This was case B. Now we will take up last case, case C. Case C is our box or base equal to -1. Make sure star or exponent, they should be even numbered. So here we have box and here we have star. Put box equal to -1. X square minus 9x plus 19 equal to -1. We'll write all the terms to one side. So x square minus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. Equation is quadratic, which we can factor easily and get x minus 4 times x minus 5 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will write either x minus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0. So from these two equations, we are going to get 4 and 5. Solution number would be 5 and 6. Now we have to cross-examine star at 4. It should not be equal to odd number. It should be even. So we will calculate star 4 and star 5. Both should be even numbered. Then only we will accept 4 and 5. So star 4, x equal to 4 in x square minus 15x plus 56. We will get 4 square minus 15 times 4 plus 56. 56 plus 16 will be equal to 72 minus 60 equal to 12, and 12 is even number. So we have to accept x equal to 4. Now star 5, we will write here 5 square minus 15 times 5 plus 56. 25 plus 56 will be equal to 81. 81 minus 75, we will write here 6, and 6 is even number. So both x values are accepted. I will write x5, 6 equal to 4, 5. So we have 6 solutions in total. From case 1 or case A, we have x1 and 2, 3 and 6. From case B, we have x3 and 4, 7 and 8. From case C, we have 5 and 6. Values are 4 and 5. So in total, we have 6 solutions: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.